and welcome to MargBooks. Today, we'll learn how to create an item in the Billing General Trade module of MargBooks. To create an item in Billing General, first log into MargBooks. Once you log in, the dashboard screen will open. Now, go to the left side menu and click on Masters. Then, navigate to Inventory Master and select the Item option. Once the item list screen opens, click the Create button or press F2 on your keyboard to create a new item. The item creation screen will appear. First, enter the product name. If packing details are required for the item, enter the appropriate packing details. Next, select or enter the unit in which the product will be purchased and sold, such as pieces, box, bag, or bottle. Now, enter the product's HSN code, select the applicable tax, and choose the company. After that, enter the MRP, purchase rate, and sale rate. Once all the required details have been entered, press the F10 key on your keyboard or click the Save button. The item will be saved successfully. If you want to save the item quickly, you can simply fill in the mandatory fields marked with a red asterisk and save the item. After saving the item, an opening stock pop-up will appear. If you want to enter the opening quantity, click Yes. Then, enter the opening stock quantity and click the Save button. Your item has now been created successfully and can be used while creating sales bills or purchase bills. Thank you for watching. For more useful MargBooks tutorials and updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.